I'm going to be using a type of hair that looks more like when you stretched a natural kinky hair. I have secured the tip of the hair, which, you know, if it were normal human hair, you would have hold on to this tip or you braid a bit of this tip. That is what is normally done. So I'm going to show you the 2-point rotation, which is from the east to the west and then from the north to the south. So this is what we do. You hold on to this, twist it, then you insert your hand from the north to the south up this way. In order for the interlocking to be tight, you have to like get to the point again, and then you pull your hair this way, then you go again. Just make sure that you are not putting your hand in the same hole, the same direction. All right, so I'm going to put my hand in this area now. Okay, in this area now, pull it to the top, then pull your hair in, then go back from the north to the south again, pull it up to the top like this, make it tight, then pull your hair in again, then you repeat the same rotation. Okay, just follow my movement. All right, okay. This is how the 2-point rotation looks like. It is somehow close to braid pattern. Look. Can you see? 3-point rotation is going to be from the east to the west. You bring it in. From the north to the south, from the east to the west again, then from the south to the north, then from the east to the west, from the north to the south, from the east to the west again, then from the south to the north, from the east to the west, from the north to the south. Okay, this is 2-point rotation, this is 3-point rotation. This is thicker and shorter because it's more dense. This is flatter and longer. It's not as dense as this, and it's a bit soft compared to this one, to the touch. Now we are going to move to the 4-point rotation, which is from east to west, north to south, then west to east, and we repeat it like that. So I'm using my hand first, east to west, north to south, west to east, okay, north to south, east to west. All right, south to north, and west to east. So let's use this: south to north, west to east, okay, north to south. Now we have the 4-point rotation, 3-point rotation, and 2-point rotation. The 4-point rotation, if you look at it from here, is thicker, and there you have it.